This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about sugar shakers, specifically these wonderful little sugar or spice shakers. They're a 10-ounce size. It's a clear polycarbonate plastic, so it's really nice and strong, really durable, meaning they're great for use in restaurants. And as you'll see, they have different lids. Now, each of these colors for the lids represents a different kind of grade or size of opening. So down at the end, we have our green, which is a very fine. You can see those really tiny little dots. So think things like maybe if you want to sprinkle a little cocoa powder or some cinnamon lightly on the top of a latte, this is going to give you a nice fine distribution, right? So things you want to use really sparingly, or things that have a really nice tiny fine grain, this is going to be great for those, right? Then we have our beige, right, which is a size up. So you can see it's a little bit of a bigger hole. Use it probably things for maybe some like table salt sized kind of spices where you want a nice even distribution, a little heavier application, right? And the sizes just keep going up. This medium one over here that's in the rose color is great for like a coarser sugar and a heavier application, or some spices that have a nice larger size to them, like maybe some flakier black pepper. And then things like the yellow over here, which is the coarse, and then the clear, which is the extra coarse, are going to be great for larger spices. So think things like basil that you might want to dust on top of a pizza, or some nice big red pepper flakes, or maybe some Parmesan cheese. Those are going to be great for those. And then there's one that's just a solid lid. So if you want to keep something on hand, right, but you don't necessarily need the holes and you want to get a lot of product on there quickly, you do kind of have to work the lids a little bit to get them, but it gives you a nice heavy open application, right? So those are just 6 different variations on this product. So it gives you a lot of nice options for different types of spices, seasonings, sugars, etc., whether it's for actually seasoning a dish while you're cooking or just for those finishing touches before it goes out to your customer. These are a great option for shakers. They're heat resistant, so they're good to use in kitchens, and they're also made from these durable plastics, so they're easy to clean as well.